Hello friends, welcome to Uniquely Vintage You. My name is Michelle and my sister Cheryl. We welcome you back to our channel. Today we have a really fun video. We're going to share with you a fall tablescape, and we're also going to share with you a really delicious and easy pumpkin streusel muffin recipe. So let Easton, my sister Cheryl, and I show you how to do it.
Brown sugar. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put the brown sugar in.
Then the white sugar. It's okay.
And then the white sugar.
Okay, and you're going to put 2 eggs in there.
Put 2 eggs in
You're
there.
going to crack it and put it in there. Crack it harder.
1 egg.
Okay.
Put over here.
Okay, crack another egg in here. Right on the, okay, crack it on this edge. Crack it harder. Okay.
2 eggs. Make sure you don't get any eggshells in there, or that would be bad. You would taste crunchies in there. Little bits of crunchies, and that would not taste good. Okay.
1/4 cup of oil.
1/4 cup of oil all the way up. That's
a little bit more. A little bit more.
That's all the way.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. Okay. And that.
You're gonna add that in, and then we're
Now
gonna
put some
add
vanilla.
pumpkin.
Now you're gonna add some vanilla. Here, I'll hold the teaspoon.
Add
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Oh,
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
2
Go easy.
teaspoons.
A little bit more. Okay, that's good.
No.
Okay, now stir that up.
Now we're gonna stir it up, and then after that, I think we're gonna add our pumpkin, right?
That's right.
That's the grand finale. Once you got it all mixed and beat up,
Now we gotta add our eggs, babe. Can
Now
you
we
add the
gotta add
eggs?
our eggs.
Okay, add our eggs. Here's our eggs. You stick them in there, then you can
Yep.
stir it. Get this combined really good.
and now,
Okay, yeah, now go. Okay, now you wanna stir that?
yep, it's gonna be yellowish brown. Once we get it done, yellowish brown. So I'm thinking
Sour cream.
sour cream.
Here, we'll probably use this, honey. Yeah. Why don't I do this and you get the
Okay, I'll get the pumpkin.
pumpkin and you can dump it.
So we're gonna use our 1 cup of pumpkin after that. Okay, time to use our 1 cup of pumpkin. You ready?
Yep.
Set? Yep. It's coming.
You wanna get it out with this spoon?
It's coming.
Let's get it out with the spoon, Easton. We're getting it everywhere.
Oh, that smell, guys. Hold your nose while you're doing that. That's really stinky. It already looks like a pumpkin with banana added to it. That would look good. Pumpkin lagoon. Okay, we're gonna add our flour. This is normal flour.
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups. That's enough, I think.
Now our spices.
Make sure you get all of it out. Now we're gonna add our spices to it.
Cinnamon,
Which, cinnamon,
pumpkin pie spice, all the good stuff.
yeah, all that good stuff.
Okay, now
We're
you're
gonna
gonna fold it like
fold
that.
it.
Fold it in.
Oh, it already smells good.
Go easy.
Oh, that smell just smells like a pumpkin breezy, like those things you buy at Walmart. That smells good. Guys, you gotta try this.
Topping, and that is just a 1/2 stick of butter, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 a cup of sugar. We're gonna just kind of blend this together a little bit.
Help them too, Michelle.
Once I get this blended up, then I'm gonna add in a 1/2 cup of flour and 1/8 teaspoon
And I'm here too.
of cinnamon.
Just drop some pumpkin spice. Here in a second, we might show that too.
Okay, why don't you put the spices
And at the
in?
end, we will show you. I'm gonna do a Bible verse and do the piano for you at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to try this at home. And always have parent safety while you're doing this.
Where do you get this stuff? Okay. All right, we're just gonna crumble this up together, and this will be our streusel topping. Okay, so here's the streusel topping, and we're just gonna add it to the top of these muffins. Friends, before we go any further, I just want to thank today's sponsor, Vangoa. Vangoa sent us the most amazing vinyl record player, and I just want to tell you a little bit about their company. They are dedicated to inspiring a passion for music and instruments among people of all levels, whether you're a professional or just a beginner. But we're excited to have this, and Easton can't wait to share with you how much he loves it.
I'm so excited about this record player by Vangoa. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's see. This is packaged so good.
Friends, this vinyl record player was packaged so well. I love the vintage style of this. It is absolutely beautiful, and it played some of our old vinyls that we had. It was so much fun to play these records for Easton and let him enjoy some of the things that we shared when we were kids. But if you're a collector of vinyls, I just highly recommend this. And again, we just want to thank Vangoa for sending this to us. Friends, we were able to pull out some old vinyls. I can't play it for you, but because of copyright infringements, but it was so fun to pull this out and listen to this. And Easton has been playing this every day. Now we're on the hunt to find even more old vinyls. So this is just a really fun thing to have. This also makes amazing Christmas gifts. So if you will just put in the code, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, it will give you 10% off. And that code is good from October the 6th through November, or from October the 7th through November the 6th. So be sure to grab one. I know you won't be disappointed. Friends, be sure to check the description below, and I will have everything linked for this vinyl player from Vangoa. And don't forget to use the coupon code for 10% off.
Okay, we added a little bit of cinnamon, and this is powdered sugar, and we're going to add a little milk. And at the end, we're going to play the piano, which is going to be really soon. And then I'm going to do the Bible verse, which I don't know which Bible verse I'm going to do yet.
Easy.
I know a lot of them, so.
Friends, these muffins were so delicious. If you love pumpkin and you love any type of streusel topping, I promise you these will be your go-to desserts for all your upcoming holidays. But these were so delicious, and I hope you'll give them a try. Now I just want to move in here to my sister's dining room, and I just want to give this just a really simple look here on her table. So we're just going to add some really pretty chargers and some beautiful fall plates. I believe these chargers came from Amazon, and also the green plates were some plates that I got from Walmart years ago, but they were in the fall section, and I thought this green color was so pretty, and it is so fitting for this year since this color has really been the theme that I have really used throughout my home. I love the details with the leaves and the acorns, so I'm going to pull all that in to this table setting. To top off these plates, I'm just adding these really beautiful napkins. These are from the Hearth and Hand collection. I got these last year. I love the detail on these. I love the little brown stripes. We're just going to bring in these really pretty amber goblets that we have. Set those at the table, and the last thing I'm going to do is just top each plate with just a beautiful fall leaf and a pine cone. I think it's simple, but yet so elegant. To complete our look, we're just going to add this riser, and on top of this beautiful glass pumpkin dispenser that we got from Walmart.
Okay, now we're going to have our pumpkin spice, and we're going to do some other fun things. Okay, we're going to add one more gallon. Go get it.
It's right there.
This is another full gallon. That was just a half.
This is a half.
So this is probably going to make a lot. We have a lot. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. I want to try it. Just a little bit now. I'm going to try a muffin. Let's see. That one looks really good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Some soaking for you. If you guys don't know what soaking is, it's like calming music if you go to sleep with it. Yeah, that's what you do with soaking. past the end of that, so I'm gonna pray for you and all of your family if you have any. This goes for every one of you that watches this video. I'm gonna say my Bible verse for you, like I said, in like the beginning of the video. Okay, here it goes. My Lord, you are the best in the whole wide world. You own the world, you will not anything hurt us. God, my Father, you will not let anyone hurt anyone. Let people have the strength to honor you, Lord. Let them be good to you, Lord. Don't let anything hurt you or us. Amen.
Friends, I don't think I could have shared a more precious prayer with you guys than what Easton did today. I hope that his music and his prayer has blessed each of you. Guys, thank you for being here. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we look forward to seeing the next one. Bye, friends.